React UI component libraries for building beautiful interfaces. The following are the top 7 libraries for React developers to help you do your job faster. 1. Chakra UI. Simple, modular, and accessible UI components for your React applications. It is so easy to use with React and its framework. 2. Ant Design. An enterprise-class UI design language and React UI library with a set of high-quality React components, one of best React UI library for enterprises. 3. Material UI. MUI provides a simple, customizable, and accessible library of React components. Follow your own design system, or start with Material Design. 4. Semantic UI React. Semantic UI React provides React components while Semantic UI provides themes as CSS style sheets. 5. Blueprint.js. It is a React UI toolkit that provides a range of customizable and accessible components, including buttons, forms, and tables. It also includes a range of utility classes for building responsive layouts. 6. React Bootstrap. Bootstrap has always been the choice for building components of a website. This is now available as a React library for building the application. 7. Evergreen. Evergreen is a React UI framework for building ambitious products on the web. It is another such UI library for React that has multiple components such as forms, buttons, alerts, and others. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.